All-Star Saturday kicks off in Phoenix with the D-League All-Star Game. We're divided into blue and red. Red wearing white here. That's Richard Hendricks inside with the jam. A little Crimson Tide power in the first half. Later in that first half, off the steal, Will Conroy setting up James White and Flight 75. Taken off with the throwdown. White spent a little time with the San Antonio Spurs. That makes the score 9-4. Then coming back, it's Othius Jeffers for the layup. He's currently with the Iowa Energy. More first half action. Check out the big man with the jump shot. Lance Ulrich outside, knocking that one down. He's currently with the Idaho Stampede. Spent a little time with the Cleveland Cavaliers. Later in the first half, Blake Ahern with the assist to Courtney Sims inside, cutting to the hole for the big jam. 35-30 red. More first half action. Alley-oop. Walker Russell to Ronald Dupree. Then it's Trey Johnson with the jump shot. He's with the Cavs right now, 42-41 blue. Then sweet play by Walker Russell. Behind his back to himself for the layup. The D is for developmental, but Walker Russell is all the way developed, folks. Then second half action, Cedric Bozeman slashing to the lane. He's a former UCLA star, getting it done in the D-League, 56-50 blue. How about Blake Ahern? He was the first call-up of the year from the D-League. He went to the San Antonio Spurs, knocking down a pair of threes there. The Reds seeing red and adding to their lead. This is Derek Byers with a sweet backdoor cut, reverse layup, plus a foul. The Red up by 10 points at this point. We are still in the second half, less than 10 to go. Chris Hunter with the jam off the Marcus Williams pass. That cuts the lead down to 80-70, but then Derek Byers getting the jam off the dish from Trey Johnson. That pushes the lead out to 18 points, 105-87 with less than 2 minutes to go. But somehow, some way, the blue team comes back. Antonio Meeking with the three here, cuts the lead down to 8 points, but in the end, just too much red. This is Trey Johnson finding Brent Petway for the terrific windmill jam to finish it off. Red win by 10. Blake Ahern and Courtney Sims are your MVPs.